Hey everyone, just doing a quick update video on the Grille. Sorry I haven't uploaded anything in quite a few weeks here. Been quite busy with work and other craziness and commitments and a lot of other stuff on the go lately here, but have time today to make this update video. So I got the Grille put on the truck now. I didn't really film me putting it on or anything. It basically went on the same way as the old one came off. I got the emblem came in the mail, and I put it on. It's a stainless steel iron cross, kind of like a Crusader style Templar cross. Really nice, actually. I don't completely recall the measurements, but I mean, I think it's probably at least 6 inches tall, 5 or 6 inches tall, and probably another, five or even, yeah, probably about another 5.5 or 5 3/4 inch wide. So it's quite large, actually. Like, I'll back up a little bit just so you can get a full view of it. It's quite impressive. And yeah, I got the Grille all mounted up and bolted in there, and yeah, I mean, I think it turned out good overall. It was a little do-it-yourself project, and I think it came out pretty good. It certainly is not a show piece or a show truck, for that matter, by any stretch of the imagination, and that's not my intent with this truck. It's just my daily driver and my you know, it's my truck. So I like to do little touches here and there on it, and this is just one of those touches that I made for it. But overall, I think it turned out pretty good. Nothing wrong with it, I don't think. For my standards anyways. Other people may want to make theirs different or whatever, but that's, you know, totally to your discretion. But yeah, the cross came in the mail and bolted it on there, and it came with stainless steel hardware and everything, and little Allen bolts hold it in place, and all I had to add in it with the hardware that they supplied me was some washers, just because the mesh, if I can find it here, the mesh in the expanded metal is quite wide, so I had to put washers in there, kind of just acting as a spacer, because the bolts are pretty small that come with it. And I guess another update is I'm still experiencing a little bit of vibration in the steering wheel, I should say. Again, it's nothing side to side, it's just like a vibrating sort of feeling. And I think I've narrowed it down to, it's actually my tires. I'm pretty sure it's got to be the tires, because I took these in to get a balance, because I figured, well, you know, let's just see if one of the tires or a couple of the tires are out of balance, you know, just to eliminate that factor. And I took them in, and buddy at Cal Tire told me that the tires are like, they're below like 5/32 or 3/32. So they're basically like done. Like, these tires are, he said there's not even a point in balancing them, because they're just that worn down. I mean, as you can see, I mean, I've still got some tread left on them. Like, they're not bald by any stretch, but I mean, in all fairness, I have had these tires for, you know, I've run these tires for about four, maybe 5 seasons. About 4 seasons anyways, at least 3 on this truck. Well, probably about 4 seasons, I guess. Yeah, about 4 seasons I've run these tires. So, you know, it's not completely out of the question that the tires are causing the issue. I'll know for certain when it comes to springtime, when I put my Mickey Thompsons back on. These are brand new tires, and I've only run like 1 season, or like 3/4 of a season on these. Like, these are brand new. I'll know 100% for sure if it's the tires when it comes to springtime, when I take these off and I put these back on, and I run these in the spring and the summer, because if the vibration's gone, then I know it's got to be the tires. But over the summer, I'm going to buy some new winter tires for this thing. I'm going to be buying Nokian studded winter tires, which are like the best ones you can buy around here. And my dad has run those on his 2007 Tacoma for, oh frig, he's had those tires on that truck now for probably at least 6 years, and he's run them for 6 seasons, and they're still going. I mean, there's you know, they're wearing down quite a bit, but I mean, they're still running good, so they're a good tire. But yeah, I figured I'd make this quick little update video, not really a long video today, just an update, wrapping up the little mini series I did of this Grille, and the I'll be chasing that vibration issue until probably I change out them tires, and I'll let you all know if that vibration goes away here. But definitely stay tuned for more updates and more truck and trailer related stuff here in the very, very near future. But yeah, alright everyone.